Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how to take screenshot on Windows 10. I'm explaining 3 techniques in this video. So first of all, the default program which we are using for screenshot is the Snipping Tool on Windows 10. So search for Snipping Tool and you will get a window like this. Here you have a lot of options like choosing the how you want to take the screenshot, freeform, rectangular, or lot of other option. In options you can change the color of the ink. Once you take the screenshot you have option to draw on top of it. Click on new for the screenshots and click on the left mouse button and hold it and drag wherever you want and take the screenshot. Let me take this one, and once you take the screenshot click on save and you can give a name and location for the screenshot. You can draw on top of it. You can erase the drawing, and even you can edit with Paint 3D directly by clicking the Paint 3D option. This is available only on Windows 10, not on Windows 7, but the program is available on Windows 7 as well. I'm not explaining this part. If you know how to use Paint 3D, you can easily edit the picture that you have taken. And you can copy the picture after your edits and you can paste it to emails or web WhatsApp or anything. And you can give the delay as well. For example, if I put 5 seconds delay and click on new, the screenshot window it will appear after 5 seconds, so that you have enough time to prepare something on the screen. So that is another option. And let me put no delay and close this one. I will explain the second technique. Here you have a shortcut for screenshot, Windows Logo plus print screen. Normally it's PrtSc or PrntScn, something like that, on top of the keyboard. And if you press this one, the screenshot will be saved under the pictures gallery under the screenshots folder. It's very easy when you have to take the screenshot of full window, then you can go with this option. Let me take one more. Now you can see that automatically it appears as screenshot too. So we can move on to the third topic or third step that I have discussed. It's already I have explained in this one of my previous video. I will put the link in the description and you can check out that video. The software name is called Lightshot, and once you open the program it will run in the background and you can take the screenshot easily by clicking the print screen option, and you can just drag the area that you need for screenshot and you can copy it or save it directly. You can add text by clicking T. You can draw on top of it like lines or arrow marks. You can change the color of the text as well, and a lot of other stuff that you can do in this program. It's also a very lightweight program, so it doesn't consume that much RAM or space on your computer, and you can save it with a name in the folder that you wish. And thank you for watching this video. I believe this one was helpful. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care, goodbye.